class 5. Today we will read a new chapter, that is a poem. Lesson 8, The Flower School. Okay, it is a lesson number 8, The Flower School. This is a beautiful poem about flower. It is a very beautiful poem about the flower that come into a bloom when the monsoon season bring rain in the June. It comes in a monsoon season. The flower comes in a monsoon season when the rain is held. It is written as though a child is described the beauty of a flower to his or her mother. It was written as a child who described the beauty of a flower to his or her mother. Now we will read the poem. When a storm cloud rumble in the sky and June showers come down, the moist east wind comes marching over the hill to blow its bagpipes among the bamboos. Then crowds of flowers come out of sudden from nobody knows where and dance upon the grass in wild glee. The mother, I really think the flowers go to school undergoes. Now, in the first stanza, the poet wants to say, he described the poem by saying that rainy days seem cloudy in a sky and showers come down in the month of June. In the month of June, the wind passing through bamboo produces a melodious sound. When the wind is passing through a bamboo, it produces a melodious sound. Melodious means nice sound it makes. Rumble here meaning it make a continuously low sound, and moist means you know very well wet, and hill means here open area where grass grow, but there are few trees and bushes. There are some trees and bushes where it and bagpipes means a musical instrument. It was based a musical instrument. A soft melodious sound can be heard by them. Then and it gives means the happiness. In a rainy season, the flower blooms out of nowhere and dance. It was dancing joyfully here. The poet say with his mother. Now the poet was saying to his mother that he feel the flower go to school underground. Then he was saying that the flower come to his school with underground. They do their lesson with doors shut, and if they want to come out to play before it is a time, their master makes them stand in a corner. Here the poet saying when they learn the lesson behind the shut the door. When they are learning the lesson, they are shutting the door. Their master make them stand. If they do something wrong, their master give them punishment. But it is not master here. It is master here is a flower, not that master as a teacher. It is a teacher is a flower here. That if they do something wrong, then the flower give them punishment, and it will stand at the corner. Their master does not let them come out to play. Then the master never come out them to play in a outside. When the rain come, they have their holidays. When the child, when if there is a rainy day, then there in school there should be a holiday. Branches clasp together in the forest, and the leaf rustling in the wild wind. The thunder clouds clap their hands, and the flower children rush out in a dress of pink, yellow, and white. In this stanza, the poet saying, however, when the rain fall, they have their holidays. When the rain is falling, they have their holidays. In the rain, the branches of a tree in the forest clash. The loud clouds make noise by clapping their big hands. At that time, the flower The flower children, listen, the flower children come out. Then the flower children come out in a different color. That is, they are dressed of a pink, yellow and white. Do you know, mother, their home in the sky where the stars are? Then the child was saying that, do you know, mother, their home is the sky when the star is there. Haven't you seen how eager they are to get there? Don't you know why they are in such a hurry? Of course, I can guess to whom they raise their arms. They have their mother as I have my own. Then the last stanza of the poem describes that it brings tears to the eyes of a reader. The poet say he know why the flower raise their arms to the sky. They do so because their mother in the sky. And the poet mother who also became a star in the sky. Here the poet mother also became a star in the sky after his death. This poem you have to write in your fair copy. And word meaning also you have to write in your fair copy.